on the board, we have an exponential problem in which we need to solve. We have to look for the value of x. Now, how do we get the value of x? To get the value of x, we need to, first of all, we look for the square of 9. And also, we work on also the power, looking for the square of 4. Then you have your 9 raised to the power of x minus x raised to the power of 4 equal to 65. Now, to do that, we need to look for the square of 9. The square of 9 is 3 raised to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2 will give us 9. Now, what about that x on top? The x on top we take it outside. Then here you have your minus, you have your x. Now, look for the square of 4. The square of 4 is 2 here, raised to the power of 2 outside, because 2 times 2 give us 4. And you have your 65. Now, we need to do, what will be the next thing? The next thing here is to make it the difference of 2 square. If you want, this is having a square, while this is having x instead of a square. So how do we make it a square? We switch the power. How do we switch the power? In order to switch the power, we need to obey the law of indices, which says, for example, you have your a raised to the power of b, and you have your c outside. This is the same thing as a raised to the power of c, and you have your b outside. This is the same thing as this, because here you have your b raised to the power of c, b times c. Now it will switch here by saying the c that was outside comes inside, which is here, and the b goes out. Switching of power. That's the one we need to do here. By the time we do apply this here, it will be difference of 2 square. Now to do it here, it will be 3 raised to the power of x. Now the 2 goes outside. You see it down? Minus, you have your x squared raised to the power of what? 2 equal to 65. You see, difference of 2 square. Let me see it down. Difference of 2 square. Now, you have something like this. Now the difference of 2 square, now we need to expound it. Difference of 2 square needs to be expounded. What do I mean by that? This 3 raised to the power of x is twice here. Here, x raised to the power of 2 is twice here. Now, what should we do? It means that we're going to open 2 brackets. 2 brackets will be open. We have your 1, 2, and we have your 1, have another 2. Now, this 3 raised to the power of x is 2. You write 1 here, and you write another 1 here. You see it down? 1, 2, which is this 3 raised to the power square. Now, the next one, we take plus first. The next one, we take minus. Now, this one is also 2 as well. So, we take x raised to the power 2, and we take another one, x raised to the power 2. You see it now? Then equal to, now this 65 you're seeing there, that 65, you should look for 2 factors. 2 factors that will multiply itself twice to give us 65. And what is that? You have your 13 times 5. So having done this, the next thing we need to do is to share this one into this. We'll take this to this and this to the other one. Now, in order to do that, first of all, coming to this part, we take 3 raised to the power of x plus x raised to the power of 2. We say 3 raised to the power of x plus x raised to the power of 2 will give us the first one, which is 13. We call it equation 1. We take the next one, 3 raised to the power of x minus x raised to the power of 2 equal to 5. We call the next one equation 2. Now, how do we solve this? In order to solve this, you say you add equation 1 to equation 2. You said equation 1 plus equation 2. Remember, you are looking for the value of x. Now, to get the value of x here, you said equation 1 plus equation 2, add it together. So, first of all, you have your 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x will give us 2 brackets 3 to the power x. Because 3 plus 3 is 6. And it's the same thing as this. 2 times 3, 6 to the power of x. Then you have your plus x squared minus x squared is 0. Already, these will cancel each other. The 0 out of it. You have your equal to. Your 13 plus this is 18. Remember, we are looking for the value of x. Now, what should we do here? We want these 3 that has the raised to the power of x to stand alone. To do that, we need to eliminate these 2 out of it. Then to eliminate that, we divide both sides by 2. This cancel out this. What is right is 3 raised to the power of x. Now 2 into this is 9. So what should you do? You have a 3 here as a base. We need to equate this to give us a power. By doing that, we need to look for the square of 9. So it will be 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2. Now, since the base has been equated, this cancel out this. Our answer will be the power, which is x is equal to 2 as the answer. Thank you.